لا إله إلا الله. سبحان الله.
On Saturday, July 17th, a huge sandstorm hit the capital of Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. The dust clouds made it difficult to see and breathe, affected the temperature, and caused significant mobility difficulties. Riyadh's traffic police have urged residents to exercise caution and motorists to drive slowly, constantly use headlights and exercise restraint. People with respiratory problems were advised to avoid going outside whenever possible. Sandstorms cause bacterial and viral infections, especially among the elderly. Earlier, the meteorological service predicted a sandstorm with wind approaching Riyadh and warned of a decrease in visibility.